Hello friends, in this video I teach you how to use Google Drive for your website, for your blog. If you want your user to download anything from your website, you have to use Google Drive, and it is very simple and easy. I will show you full process in this video. If you're new in this video, please like, share and subscribe. Okay, we just take a dummy. Okay, top 10 university in, I think I say, in Australia. Okay, uh, top 10 university in Australia. If you download the PDF, then click here. Okay, and we provide a link of top 10 university. Okay, so just go to your Google Drive. Okay, I said just see my Google Drive. Okay, this is my Google Drive, and here you see new button. Okay, you just click on new button. Okay, then file upload. Okay, you just click here, file upload. Thereafter you just any type of PDF or video or anything else, you just upload that in your website. Or anything else means any zip file, any photo, any video, you just anything you upload. Okay, just I see I just upload a PDF file. Okay, I just upload this PDF file. Okay, this one I just upload, this one, open. Okay, you see here the file is uploading. Okay, the PDF file is uploaded. Just now I just see this is my PDF file. Just right click from your mouse, click right click, then here you see get link. Okay, just click on get link. You just click on get link, and thereafter you have to change. Acha, you just see restricted. Okay, you just see only people with access can open with the link. If you given I just copy and I just paste it in this website. Okay, I just paste in this website. Thereafter we see what happened. I'm just publish this one. Thereafter view post, we see download PDF. Okay, you just click here, and you see your PDF file is uploaded. Okay, you see my PDF file is uploaded. Here you can upload any type of your document in Google Drive. If you want to upload your video or anything else, you just have to upload first in Google Drive. Okay, you just first upload in Google Drive, click on to new, and select file upload. Thereafter click on right button. Thereafter click on get link. Okay, thereafter you just copy this link and paste where you want to, or just you that directly share through your WhatsApp or Telegram. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video, and this video is informative. So if you like this video, then please share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.